Question 16 reads, after the first term, each term in a sequence is 3 greater than 1/3 of the preceding term. If t is the first term of the sequence and t is not equal to 0, what is the ratio of the second term to the first term? All right, it's a little bit steppy, but this shouldn't be too much of a problem. What we want to find at the end of the day is the ratio of the second term to the first term. So I'll put the second on top, first term on bottom. Okay, what is the first term? First term is equal to t. And what will the second term be? Well, that's equal to 3 greater than 1/3 of the preceding term. So that means that 1/3 of t plus 3. All right, next step is to sub these values in to our ratio second over first. So we have t over 3 plus 3, and that's got to be all divided by t. So the job here really is to simplify this fraction into something that looks like one of the options over there. Okay, so we have t over 3 plus 3 over t. So that'll simplify to t over 3t plus 3 over t. I'm just dividing each of the individual terms by t. This will cancel, and I'll move over here to finish up. And we'll get 1/3 is equal, 1/3 plus 3 over t. Should be a plus sign. To add these up, we'll need a common denominator. Common denominator is 3t. So we'll get t over 3t plus 9 over 3t. And that's equal to t plus 9 over 3t. And that's the correct answer, C, t plus 9 over 3t.